Make adjustments to the model's hair volume. You can easily adjust the hair volume using Vern texturizing scissors to accurately control the amount of hair removed with each cut. See, that's all the hair that's been removed. In areas with more hair volume, target the roots and middle of the hair, removing excess hair volume, quickly adjusting the hair volume in place. Cut the length by using texturizing to cut to create the effect of natural hair ends. Vern Styling Scissors 6EE is particularly effective for cutting the length, especially for curly hair. It can fast and simply create natural effects at hair ends. With this combination, by simply repeating the opening and closing motion on both sides, you can cut the hair length and achieve the desired effect. With this unique combination of Vern scissors, the horizontal cutting technique delivers a special cutting effect, allowing you to quickly achieve the desired hair length on both sides in a single cut.
Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.